Hello, and welcome to the Florida Vendor Venture Channel. For those aspiring to become a vendor in the stunning Palm Beach County, Florida, we have a crucial topic for you today. Join us as we explore the 9 essential items on the vendor registration checklist that are a must-have before you begin your vendor venture. Without delay, let's get started. The first item on our checklist is the business location. The first location you entered will be considered the business headquarters. The second item is your tax ID number, which can be either an employer identification number or your social security number. This number is crucial for tax purposes and will be required for registration. The third item is your foreign vendor's applicable W-8 form. If you are a foreign vendor doing business in the United States, you will need to fill out a W-8 form. This form is used to establish your foreign status and claim any applicable tax treaty benefits. There are several different versions of the W-8 form, so it is important to make sure you are using the correct one for your situation. The fourth item is a foreign tax ID, also known as a taxpayer identification number. TIN is a unique identifier assigned to individuals or organizations by foreign governments for tax purposes. This ID is necessary for anyone who earns income in a foreign country, as it allows the government to track and tax that income appropriately. The fifth item is your W-9 form. The W-9 is a tax document that is used by businesses in the United States to collect information about their independent contractors and vendors. This form requires the recipient to provide their name, address, social security number or taxpayer identification number, and other identifying information. It is important for vendors to fill out the W-9 form accurately and promptly to avoid any delays in payment or reporting. The sixth item requires your official legal company name. Item number 7 is the company's DUNS number, a free number issued by Dun & Bradstreet for each business location. Call toll-free to obtain and/or verify your DUNS number. Indicate that you are doing business with a government entity. Eighth on our checklist is your contact information. Have name, address, email, phone, and fax for each of the business functions. The final item is the commodity codes for your goods or services. Business commodity codes are a way of classifying goods and services that are traded in the market. These codes help to standardize the classification of products and services, making it easier for businesses to identify and track their transactions. Once you have all 9 items, you can begin the registration process. Open your web browser and navigate to the Palm Beach County Vendor Self-Service Portal. You can find the link in the video description below. Once you're on the Vendor Self-Service (VSS) registration system, you'll need to sign up if you haven't already. Ensure that you have all 9 items nearby for general business questions and business document uploads. In the registration summary, review all the information you've provided, ensure it's accurate and up to date, and then submit your application. Take your time during this step to avoid any potential errors. Once registered, Palm Beach County Vendor Self-Service will email you detailed account information, including your user ID, legal business name, and vendor number. After submitting your application, Palm Beach County's procurement team will review your information and determine whether you qualify as a vendor, supplier, or contractor for the county. This process may take some time, so be patient. There you have it, the 9 key items on the Palm Beach County Vendor Registration Checklist. These items are your roadmap to becoming a registered vendor in this beautiful part of Florida. Make sure you have them in order, and you'll be well on your way to a successful vendor business. Remember to keep your profile up to date and respond to any communication from the county's procurement team promptly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips and insights. If you have any questions or additional tips for fellow vendors, please share them in the comments section below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in our next video, where we'll continue to explore the world of entrepreneurship and business.